everybody, look at this brand new to our inventory, a used Fat Boy in Deadwood green, gloss, beautiful badge there, LED headlights, 6-speed transmission with the Milwaukee 8 engine, big and bulky, working with a fat tire, both in the front and the back, about 250 in the back, I believe. Beautiful hubs, beautiful wheels, 114 engine. You got the Vance and Hines pipes, you got the passenger pegs, floorboards for the driver. It's really interesting. I have a tour rack as well, and 2-up seat, real comfy. And you have these really interesting bags here that have some Velcro on the side to secure it down during your ride. Gives you some good space in there, as well as a zipper. Little pouch in there, goes about knuckle deep. As well as it's also detachable. So you unzip that there and you can grab it by the briefcase here. Beautiful addition. Under 2,500 miles. We've got 26 miles. 2,626 on this beauty. Get in focus here. Come on by for a beautiful test ride out on this summer road.